Welcome to e-learning for class 4, subject work experience. I'm Jaren Elsa Abraham. In this video, you'll be learning about two chapters that are there in your textbook. Lesson number 7, word editing and formatting. Lesson number 8, word inserting graphics. So let's see the learning objectives of this video. You'll be learning about editing text, how to check the spelling and grammar, how to format the text in your Word. You will be learning about inserting graphics, applying text effects, etc. And finally, you'll be learning how to print a document and save a document. Microsoft Word or Word is one of the most popular word processing programs which is used for creating, formatting, and saving a document. It also provides different features such as inserting and deleting text, spelling and grammar, find and replace, bullets and numbering, inserting images, shapes, and many other. So let's learn how to do a document and many other features of the Word document. Students, in this video, you'll be seeing different features. Let's see how to open the Word document. In your desktop, first you need to click on Start. Once you have clicked on Start, you have your Start menu. From there, you can search for Word and then you can click on it to open the Word document. Now you know how to start a new document. To enter the text, you can use the keyboard. You will enter the text into a new document to create the project. The text you type will appear from the insertion point that is flashing on your screen. Type the text for your document by pressing the keys on the keyboard. The text appears to the left of the insertion point as you type. To add more than one space between words, use Tab key rather than spacebar. Let's see some of the editing text features of Word. Moving or copying. A text in a document can be moved, that is cut or copied from one location to another within a document or between the documents. Moving or cutting a text means the text will disappear from its original location and appear to another location where it is pasted. Copying a text means the text will remain as its original place and also appear at the place where it is pasted. So for that, you first have to select the text you want to move or copy. Click on Home tab and you will have the following options: cut or copy. So here we are going to choose the selection option as copy, and then you'll have to click on the location where you want to place the text. Then you can click on Paste button to place the text in the new location. The text will appear in the new location. If you want to add few text after typing the whole document, you can easily add or insert new text in your document. For that, you can click on the location where you want the new text to appear. The insertion point appears. And then you can type the text you want to insert. For example, now I've given us types of. You can easily remove or delete the text that is no longer needed. You can first select the text you want to delete and then press on the delete key from your keyboard to remove the text. the text disappears. There's a feature called as undo feature on the quick access toolbar. It is used to reverse the action you take while working in a document. The feature is useful when you, by mistake, delete text and want to recover it. Now, if I press on undo, the deleted text appears. Next, we're going to do is a spelling and grammar check. While inserting text in Word, you might have noticed the words underlined in red and green color. These wavy colored lines identify the spelling and grammatical mistakes in your document. The red wavy line shows the spelling mistakes and the green wavy line shows the grammatical mistakes. Now, to change the misspelled words, you can find the word and then you can right click on the underlined text. The menu appears and shows possible suggestions. Click on the suggestion from the menu and the word will be corrected. To ignore the error, you can click on Ignore All, or to make the word stop underlining a word as misspelled, click on Add to Dictionary. But now I want to change this word to the spelling correct to computer. Now, we are going to see how to use thesaurus. Thesaurus is a list of words grouped together containing synonyms and antonyms. Word provides a thesaurus through which you can find words to express meanings more accurately. It helps you to increase your knowledge. Now let's see how to use that. For that, first select the word for which you want thesaurus. Now I'm going to select this using my cursor. Then you can click on Review on the tab and then you can click on Thesaurus button. The Research Task pane opens and displays the suggestion replacements for that word. You can click on the suitable word, click on the arrow, and you have the option to insert. Click on Insert, and the word from thesaurus replaces the selected word in the document. Now you can click on Close to close the taskbar. Next, we are going to see how to find and replace a text. In your document, sometimes you need to change the word or text with some other word or text wherever it is used. This can be done using the find command and the replace command. The find command is used to search for the particular word, and replace command replaces the selected text or the word with the new word. For that, you can first click on the beginning of the document, click on Home tab, and then click on Replace button. Find and Replace dialog box appears. Type the text you want to find. Now, I'm going to give here as notebook. Replace with. Now here, you need to type the text you want to use in place of the text that we have given here. So I'm going to give here as laptop. So I want the words that is used as notebook to be changed to the word as laptop. Next, you can click on Find Next. Word highlights the first matching word it finds. Now, you can click on one of the following options. Replace, that means it will replace the word. Replace all, that means all the words, matching words in the documents will be replaced. And find next means ignore the word. So I'm going to give as replace. Then the word, again I have the word as notebook, so I want that also to be replaced. Here I do not want it to be replaced, so I will give as Find Next. Now, after all the words are found, a dialog box appears where you can give on OK, and here you can give on Close. Now we are going to see how to format text. Sometimes in a document, you may need to change the case of the text, that is, how it is written, that is, uppercase or lowercase, etc. For that, you can do it without retyping the text by using the Change Case option. Now, for that, first, let me select the text, and you have many options over here, like sentence case. Here, the first character in the sentence will be uppercase and the rest in the lowercase. Next is lowercase. All the characters will be in lowercase. If you give uppercase, all the characters will be in capital letter. Capitalize each word. That is, first character of each word is capital and the rest are small. And next you have the toggle case. That means it will reverse the case of letters of the selected text. Now I'm going to select the uppercase option for this heading. Now let's see some of the other features of formatting text. If you want to change the font of the text, you can first select the option, the text. You can go to Home tab, click on the down arrow for the font, and you can click on any of the options that you have over here. For this, let's take the option of Times New Roman. Now, you have another option of changing this, that is, after selecting the text, a mini toolbar appears. That is this. Over here also you have the option to change the text font. If you don't want any of the changes, you can just simply click on the outside part of the selected area. Now, let's see how to change the size of the text. So first you can select the text. You can go to Home tab, and next to the font, you have the font size. You can click on it, and you can click on which is the correct font size that you want. Now I'm selecting 16 and the text will change its size. Let's see another feature, that is making the text bold, italic or underline it. For that you can select the text and you have the option under Home tab, B which is for bold, I which is for italic and U which is for underline. If you click on B, the text will become bold. If you click on I, it will be italic. And if you click on U, an underline will appear under the text. Now, if you don't want any of this option, you can again deselect it by clicking it again. Now, I'm keeping the bold option. If you want to change the color of the text, you can go to Home tab and then you can click on the down arrow of the font color. This is the font color. You can click on the down arrow and click on any of the option that you have over here. Now I'm selecting the option red color. Next we're going to see is alignment of the text. You can align text in different ways to give your document a professional look. By default, Word assigns the left alignment command. Now for that you can first select the text you want to format and click on Home tab, and then you have the options like left align, that will make the text align to the left, center align, that will make the text center aligned, then you have the right align which will make the text towards the right. Click on Justify. That will make the text between the left and the right margins. So now I'm going to give the option as Justify. Now let's see how to insert graphics. In Word, you can insert pictures and clip arts in the document along with the text. For that, first you'll have to click on the location in your document where you want to add a picture. Then click on Insert. Then you have the option to click on Pictures and this device. A Insert Picture dialog box appears. You can click on the picture and click on Insert. The picture appears on your document. You have the you can see there's the picture appears in your documents with selected handles, surrounded handles. If you want to rotate the picture, you can drag the rotate handle. Or you can also resize the picture. You can notice that the picture format tab appears on your ribbon. You can use tools on this tab to format the picture. Now let's see how to wrap text around the image. Wrapping text means adjusting the text around the objects or images accordingly. For that, you can click on the object or picture that you want to wrap, click on Picture Format, and there you have the option of Wrap Text. You have a lot of options like Inline with Text, Square, Typed, Through, Top and Bottom, Behind Text, In front of text, etc. So now we are going to take the option of square. This example will make the text squarely wrapped around the object. Now, if you want to move the image anywhere else in the document, you can also click on the object you want to move and drag the object to the new location. The object moves to the new location as soon as you release the mouse. Let's see how to insert a clip art. You can add a clip art image to the document, which will make your document more interesting and entertaining. Now, to add a clip art to your document, you need to click on the location where you want to add the clip art. Then go to Insert tab. There you have Pictures. You have stock images or online pictures. You can go for online pictures where it download pictures from the internet. Here you need to search for the picture that you want to paste. I'm going to give as notebook computer and give enter key. I'll get a lot of pictures from the internet which is related to notebook computer. I can select a picture. For example, I'm going to select this picture and I can give on the option to insert it. The picture will be downloaded to the document. You can resize it. You, however you want to, you can give it the resize option, and also you can go to the picture format and you can wrap it around the text how you want to. So I'm going to give a square. Now you can make it to the exact place where you want to. You can apply text visual effects to the text such as shadow, reflection, glow, etc. It can draw attention towards your headings and important information in your document. For that, you need to first select the text which you want to apply the text effects. You can go to Home tab and there you have the option as Word Text or Text Effect and Typography. There you'll have different kinds of word art over there. Now we'll be selecting this one. And then you have all these different kinds of options as outline. You can give shadow effect to it. You can give reflection or glow, etc. You have many options like that. Now, you can otherwise also insert a word art. That is, you can go to insert option. There you have the word art. So if you want, you can click on any word art and you can type over here what you want to type. Even that you can do it during making your document more visually bright. Now, let's see how to add bullets or numbering. A bullet is a dot or a symbol that is marked wherever you want to display the text in a form of different points. A bullet can be given when the order of the point dot does not matter, that is unordered. In Word, the bullet is marked as a form of a black dot by default. So for that, you can first select the option of your text. Then you can go to Home. You can go to this option over here. You have the options as bullet button. Then you have numbering, or you can give any other format as well. This is called as multi-level. You have different multi-level list to be put. So now let's give it as bullet. Adding shapes. Now adding shapes allows you to add a variety of arrows, squares, stars, flowchart shapes, etc. to your document. Word provides a large collection of shapes to organize and design the image you desire. For that, you can click on the Insert tab. There you have the option of shapes. There are a lot of shapes which will be displayed. You can click on the shape that you want to use. The mouse pointer will change to a plus sign. Now click and drag in the work area to draw the selected shape. Once you're done, you can release the mouse and the shape appears surrounded by the handles, which will be used to modify it. You can rotate it, or you can increase the size of it or decrease it, etc. Also, you can change the color of it by clicking on the different options that you have over here. Next is the drop cap feature. This allows to display the first character of the paragraph in a large capital letter that enhances the appearance of the paragraph. Now for that, you can click on the first paragraph or whichever paragraph you want to display a drop cap, sorry. Then you can click on Insert and there you have the option of drop cap. If you'll have many options, dropped, in margin. So which option you want, you can take. Now let's take the option of drop. So it will come like this. Now, if you do not want it, you can deselect it. You can give as none over here. Under drop cap option, you can give as none. Now let's keep it as dropped option. Now, to add a border, you can add a border to your text in your document to draw attention towards important information. For example, you can add a border to the paragraph to bring attention to the text. Now for that, you can click anywhere in the text or select the text which you want to add a border. Click on Home tab and then you have the option of borders. There you have the option of different kinds of borders. Now I'm going to give as outside border. You have the option of borders and shading as well. Now if you give on that, you have a dialog box appearing. There you have the borders, different kind of borders. Let's go for the 3D border. And here you need to select the color, whichever borders color you want. Let's go for the black. Next, you can click on the different styles of border which you want. Let's go for this. And then you can increase or decrease the thickness that you want for the border. Yes. And then you can click on OK. Now the border appears around the selected text. To remove the selection, click anywhere outside the text. It will be done. Now, to remove the border, you can select it over here and then you can click on no border, or you can go to borders and shading. You can click on none and you can click on the option of OK. But let's keep the border as it was. So 3D black, and let's take the option click on OK. After creating the project, it must be saved into the memory of a computer for its future use. File created in Word is saved with the file extension .docx. Now for that, you can click on File. After doing all your documents, you can click on File. You have the option, different options over here. You can click on Save, or you can click on Save As. So for that, you need to go and find out the place where you want to save. You can go to different places on your computer and you can give the correct name for it. I'm going to give it as mobile computer. All right, and you can click on save. So the file name will be saved as mobile computer. If you want to take a print of this, you can make like click on file and you have to click on print. This part is called as the print preview, where you can see what you are going to print. Here you can give how many copies you want to take. Here you can select the printer name. This lets you print the current page or different all the pages together. You can select on that one side, or you can print on both the sides. How you want to print it, you can give over here. Then you have how many pages to be printed in one page. All of these options, you have it over here. Once you've decided the settings, you can click on print. And the Word sends the document to the printer and you will get the printout of your project. You can use shortcut keys as an alternative for using mouse while working in Word. You can open, close, save, copy, paste, print, etc. using keyboard shortcuts. Let's see some of these shortcut keys. First, Ctrl plus S helps you to save a document. Ctrl plus P prints a document. Ctrl plus Z undo an action. Ctrl plus Y redo undid action or repeat an action. Ctrl plus C to copy. Ctrl plus X is to cut. Ctrl plus V is to paste. Ctrl plus B applies or removes bold formatting. Ctrl plus I applies or removes italic formatting. Control plus U applies or removes underlined formatting. Control plus A, select entire text. Control plus E, center aligns the text. Control plus L, left aligns the text. Control plus R, right aligns the text. We have come to the end of this lesson. Let's see the learning outcomes of this video. You have learned how to edit text, how to check the spelling and grammar, how to format the text. We have learned about the graphic inserting, how to apply different text effects, and also how to print a document and save a document. Hope you have enjoyed the video and understood the concept of these lessons. Thank you.